Alright boys, we are back for another day working on the F-150. Yeah, we had to cut this locking hub, cut straight down on it to get that seized bolt out of there, so these are no good anymore. I got a new set of worn hubs on the way. They'll be here next week, so next weekend we will get a pair of new locking hubs and we'll replace them on both sides. So for today, we're just going to get this new rotor installed. We'll get the bearings packed and loaded in here, and get the wheel hub back on. No, yes. Hey man, where was it? Looking good. You looking space cowboy over here. I don't know if they can see you or not, but you look good. Pants don't fit you no more.
Let me give you a little dance.
Dancing for the YouTube. Okay, yeah, we're gonna get this on here today while we wait for our wheel hubs. So that's the plan today. Let's see if we can get it done. Alright, so we're gonna put these bearings in real quick. It's two different size bearings. You have a slightly bigger one and a smaller one. The smaller one goes on the front. The bigger one's gonna go in the back, which we'll do that. We'll do that one first. It already has the bearing chase in there, so I'm gonna ditch this for now. So what we'll do is, we got some, you know, just some regular old Red Lightning grease here, and we'll pack this bearing with some grease. We'll throw it in here just like this, packed full of grease. We'll put this seal on it, flat side facing you like that. We'll tap around the red edge. Don't tap on this brass piece, you'll bend it. We'll flip it over, and the front chase I do not have, so we'll drop that down there like so.
I really need help with this.
Need help with it? You gonna shoot me with it? 1 second. We'll drop that in right there. Let me see that thing. Alright, let's grease these things up. See, once you get grease coming through the back sides of this and the front, pretty well greased up. And then while my hands are dirty, I'm gonna go ahead and grease this front bearing. Tap around. Edge here. Just a little bit of grease. And we got that fairly greased up. Drop our bearing in, taper side down. So, see that? Both our bearings in. Now let's go over, get the rotor, and get this wheel hub installed back on the rotor. It's got a little 1/2-inch extension here. Just gonna get these things far down as we can. Got those seated in there. Our bearing and our chase fell out, so we'll have to pop those back down in there like so. Let's go get this thrown on the axle shaft over there and get this wrapped up. slots in here. There's 2 of them. Do the one with the nipple on it first. We'll tighten this to 50 foot-pounds. Back it off 90 degrees. Tighten it back to 15 foot-pounds. And this one is final tighten to 50. So we'll do that. Alright, that's that one. Alright. See what's right in there. Looking good. Next piece will be this one. It doesn't matter. Doesn't matter which way it goes. So we'll do that one next. Alright. Those are in. This is the next piece. Slide right in there, just like that. Get our lock ring installed around the edge. Snap ring, just like that. And then we have the snap ring, which goes right around there. But remember, all we did was beat these studs into the back. Now we're gonna press them forward with a little trick here. We got a wrench, and I got a little lug, and we're gonna use this to pull the rotor brake caliper wise, not too difficult. Your cylinder here is going to go on the back. You'll install your rear brake pad just like that. Get snug against the back of the rotor, and your other brake pad will be your front brake pad. Going to sit on there just like that. Slide this right in there. That's all there is to it. Make sure your bleed screw on the back's facing up. Now we'll get the pins in, top and bottom. Get this thing seated. So these are the pins. New caliper kit will come with new pins. sucker is ready. All we gotta do is reattach the brake line, fill the master cylinder up with some brake fluid, and we'll bleed these brakes. Probably not going to get to that today, but we will do a brake bleed once we get the manual locking hubs reinstalled, and we'll finish up this whole front brake situation. But for now, we're going to call that good. Alright, we got our locking hubs in. Got the Warren product here. Not the premium ones, but the standard ones. Let's check these things out. See what we got. Boom. With some locks as well. These go right on the back, like that. Pre-greased. Two of those. And it also came with a set of snap rings, Allen keys. So let's go get these installed. Okay, finally got that out. Now I need to get the snap ring here in the middle out. That's not gonna give me too big of problems. Nope, there that goes. Okay. Got the snap ring out of there. Should be able pull that right out. Nice. Let's get our nice and shiny new one. And get it installed. Just like that. There you go. Just like that. We got 6 new Allen bolts in our kit. Pop those in. Unlock. Beautiful. That's done. Shined up. Looking very nice. So this is a test to make sure that this hub assembly was installed properly. You can see this U-joint right here. So right now the cabs or the hub cabs are on free, so we would expect for these to not be engaged. You can see it's not spinning. So if I were to lock the hub, I just locked it. Now we should expect to see this spin, which we do. So you can see that when we lock the hubs, that 4-wheel drive engages both in reverse and in forward. So that's looking good. Alright y'all, we officially got both sides of the disc brakes completely done. Brand new, worn locking hubs installed. Fresh calipers, fresh brakes, fresh rotors, freshly painted wheel hub, new wheel bearings. Both of the locking hubs do engage the axle and spin it, so we're good. Brakes are ready. We are so close to being done. Next and final things on the list. We got to install the drop down brackets on the radius arms on both sides. So we got some new rubber bushings, axle pivot bushings. When we drop the pivot arms out to install the drop down brackets, we'll also push in some new bushings. So that's what's left. We got the new wheels and tires ordered today. Y'all are gonna like those. And yeah, we'll get this thing, we'll get in alignment, and we'll get this bad boy back on the road. Tulsa, baby.